Welcome to 𝐂𝐤𝐸 channel. It's an educational journey.
Have you ever wondered what all living things are made of? Every plant, animal, and human body is made up of tiny building blocks called cells. Cells are the basic unit of life. But how were these cells discovered? Let's explore the fascinating discovery of the cell. Before the invention of microscopes, humans could not see extremely small objects. In the 17th century, scientists developed early microscopes that could magnify tiny structures. These instruments opened a completely new world, the microscopic world. In 1665, an English scientist named Robert Hooke examined a thin slice of cork using a microscope. He observed many small box-like compartments. These structures reminded him of small rooms which he called cells. However, the cells he saw were dead cells of plant tissue. Robert Hooke recorded his observations in a famous book called Micrographia. This was the first time the term cell was introduced in science. His discovery marked the beginning of cell biology. Later, a Dutch scientist named Antonie van Leeuwenhoek improved microscope design. He observed living cells in pond water for the first time. He discovered tiny moving organisms like bacteria and protozoa, proving that cells could be living. Hooke observed dead cells which appeared empty, but Leeuwenhoek observed living cells containing cytoplasm and other structures. This helped scientists understand the difference between living and non-living cellular structures. The discovery of cells helped scientists understand that all living organisms are made of cells. This discovery later led to the development of the cell theory, one of the most important ideas in biology. So, the discovery of the cell revealed the basic unit of life. From plants to humans, every living organism is built from cells. Understanding cells helps us understand life itself.
Thank you for watching. Please keep supporting us. For more educational videos, please visit our 𝐂𝐸𝐸 channel.